Hi everyone. Today we are going to look at this topic, completing the square. Now let's look at this question. Solve 2x is equal to 2 minus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0 using the completing the square method. To solve this, we have 2x squared minus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. The first thing to do is to make the coefficient of x squared to be unity. So what you need to do now is to divide each of the term by what? By 2. Therefore, you have x squared minus 5x over 2 minus half is equal to what? 0. The next step is to transpose the constant term. That is, move the constant term to the right hand side. So we now have x squared minus 5x over 2 is equals to what? Half. The next thing here is we know the coefficient of x is minus 5 over 2. Now, we are going to find half of this coefficient of x and then square it. Then you add to both the left hand side and to the right hand side. So the coefficient of x is minus 5 over 2. So half of minus 5 over 2 will give me 5 over 4. Minus 5 over 4. So I will now have x squared minus 5x over 2 plus, now the coefficient of x is minus 5 over 2. Half of it will be minus 5 over 4. Then square it. And do the same thing to the right hand side. So I have 1 over 2 plus minus 5 over 4. Or what? Or squared. At this point, you can factorize this. This is a perfect square. So all you need to do here is just pick x and what? Minus 5 over 4. So we now have what? X squared minus 5. Okay, x minus what? Minus 4. All what? All square. So this is a what? A perfect square. If I square this, I'm going to get this value. So, which is equals to 1 over 2 plus 25 over what? Over 4. That is, the square of minus 5 is 25. The square of 4 is 16. So I'll now have x now minus 5 over 4 all squared is equals to 1 over. Now half plus 25 over 16 will give me 33 over 16. Now since 33 over 16, half of 25 over what? 16 is equal to 33 over 16. So at this point, okay, remember it's carrying a square, this binomial. So here, to remove this square, we have to square what? Both sides. So we'll square both sides and find the square root of both sides. The 2 will cancel, so we'll have what? Plus or minus 33 over what? Over 16. Now, we now have x now minus 5 over 4. Now, moving this minus 5, because we are looking for x, moving minus 5 over 4 to the other side, we'll now be having x now is equal to what? 5 over 4 plus or minus square root of 33 over the square root of 16 is 4. At this point, x now is equals to 5 over 4 plus. Now, the square root of 33 is 5.746 all over what? All over 4. Now, by the time you resolve 5 over 4 plus the whole of this, you are going to have, I divide it by 4, you are going to have 2.684 or 6 rather. Now, or we have 5 over 4 minus 5.746 over what? Over 4. So by the time you resolve this also, you are going to have what? Using your calculator, you're going to have 0.18 what? 86 as your answer. So minus 0.186 as your answer. So the value of x is 2.686 or minus 0.186. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. Thank you.